I know you all will be thinking, what is the whole purpose of this video? In this period of lockdown, a lot of lives have been lost and a lot of things have changed for the good. I'm sure you all will agree how frustrating it is to idle oneself at home, and it may even drive you crazy. Why can't we think of converting this adversity into advantage? Depending on one's unexplored creativity, indulge in multifarious activities, be it writing, cooking, designing, inventing, and so on. Well, I am here to enlighten you on the few of the many things that we can engage ourselves in. The first and foremost point would be self-exploration. Self-development is something which is very enriching and empowering. We should make it a point to know the unknown, improve, and also help others in achieving. We may be in an illusion that we have known it all, but whenever we venture into unfamiliar goals, that is when we realize we are never really out there. The human potential is limitless, so it's impossible to reach a point of no growth. Whenever we think we are good, we can be even better. The other point is planning out right. It is not easy to stick with a particular plan and be dedicated and determined. Sometimes the mind slips away, and that time you will be able to bring it back to the right track if you have the right plan of action. Like in this lockdown, we can introspect and understand what all are the grey areas we have to work on and improve, and what can be achieved as one's life goal. What say we hit that road to a better body, mind, and soul? A healthy and fit body is always something everyone dreams of. If we set out some time for physical activities, we are going to kickstart our life in a best way possible into a healthy lifestyle. Next one goes hand in hand with the one I just mentioned. Eating clean and wholesome. A way to a healthy body surely comes with the food we take in. In this period of lockdown, there has been a lot of cases of obesity, as people are just idle and eating their heart's content. Practicing clean diet is a good way to feel refreshed and light throughout. It further helps in better thinking and metabolism. Well, it is rightly said, a sound body should be accompanied by a stable mind. People can relax and declutter their mind by meditating and monitoring their breathing rhythm. This will surely calm your mind and awaken your senses. It rejuvenates the soul and completely brings a new perspective to your life. Also, for enriching the mind, one should indulge in reading books. It is advised to start reading every day for some time, as it opens up your door to creativity, gives you a new perspective to life, helps you improve your vocabulary, and moreover, it keeps you engaged positively. Now, why don't we start a new habit? Research says it takes about 21 days to build a new habit. We all might have thought about starting something at some point of time in life, but kept pushing it for a later period. Now I feel is the right time to kickstart that old habit you have been procrastinating. Here is an opportunity to work on that foreign language you have been thinking of learning since a long time, or learning to dance, or trying your hand at cooking, or going all creative by designing things and crafting new ideas. This is once in a lifetime chance we've got. Let's work towards achieving those few things which are always in our mind. The other way to improve is to level up your skills. As the competition out there is immensely increasing, it is always good to have your skills upgraded by different means. With the availability of technology at your fingertips, it surely makes it convenient for us to learn a lot of things and widen our knowledge. A few of the e-learning websites that can help you with improving your skill sets are Coursera, Udemy, Treehouse, and so on. In the era of digitalization, there are a lot of resources available. You just have to make use of the time and space and get started. Moving ahead, another thing which can be done is building relationships. This is the time for people to connect with their loved ones and even build a relationship with those who they have lost touch with. Networking teaches you how to deal with different types of people in different scenarios. Every day, connect with someone who is from your school or college or your previous workspace. Next in line would be keeping a journal. Maybe this lockdown we will get to see an evolution of writers where someone might emerge as a storyteller, a poet, or even a prose writer. You can do so much if you start writing about the things which intrigues you. Next would be to declutter and rearrange your home. It is empowering to work on improvising the feel and look of your house. Some of you guys would be bored and tired of seeing the space which is set up for years and would be thinking of revamping and recreating a better space. There are a lot of ideas that can be practically adopted in order to make your space more creative and aesthetically pleasing. Last but not the least would be digital traveling. Now that our movements are being restricted, it shouldn't quite really stop you from seeing those beautiful places and sites and even historical museums across the world. The experience would be quite different from actually visiting the places, but it sure is worth spending some time being the digital nomad and exploring the places digitally. There are a lot of websites and historical museums that provide a complete tour of their unique splendor. So, this lockdown, why don't you bring the best in you by indulging in activities like these, which would help you in a lot of ways. If you have the right motivation and willpower, I am certain that we will transform ourselves in a better way once we come out of this confinement. Explore, invent, and discover through introspection. Thank you.
Eye to Eye News, an eye for truth.